back to my channel. My name is Samantha Moonshine and sorry for the potato face. I just thought I would do my base makeup so this video wasn't so long. So today I will be doing a Valentine's Day wearable look, something you can actually go out whether it's with your partner or your friends or your family, but something you can actually wear out. So yeah, I am going to be doing the traditional reddy, browny, pinky tones. I want it to look sexy but also very sophisticated. I've got my Valentine's Day earrings on today, double hearts. Alright, so I might even start with my eyes and then do the rest after so that it all comes together cohesively. So I've got two palettes today that I wanted to use. I've got my Ride or Die favorite formula eyeshadow palette, and that is the Lime Crime Original Venus. I've attacked this, hit pan on this, it's my favorite shade, it is stunning. So I want to use my mattes with this, and then I want to go into my BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil Rio Edition, and I want to have a play with these beautiful pinks here. So I'm not exactly sure how I'm going to do it, but I know the kind of colors that I want to use. I will use the BH Cosmetics number 7. And I'm going to start with Shell, this beautiful color here. It goes on, there's a bit of shimmer on it, but I found that it is quite a gorgeous color as a transition. And we're just going to blend that out. So, I have never previously celebrated New Year's. I have previously never celebrated Valentine's Day. I've had many Galentine's Day, which I love. I've also done nothing because when you're single, it is just another day. I don't make a huge big deal out of it. But since I found the love of my life, it's become a very special day because last year on Valentine's Day, Vinny proposed to me. So it's not just a Valentine's Day for me, it's a reminder of a wonderful day that I shared with my love. So Valentine's Day has developed into an important day for me. But I don't think it has to be an important day, really. I mean, it's personal choice. I don't think it's something that single people should feel bad about because everyone's been single. Like, everyone's been single. And like I said, I never celebrated it with a boyfriend before. So I don't think it's a big deal. But it is a nice excuse to go out and be appreciated. Am I right? So yeah, this is a shimmer shade, which I know is controversial for a transition, but it's just so gorgeous in my opinion that I cannot not, you know what I mean? I am going to go in with the darker Rebirth up top. And that's going to be more in my crease. So I might even change my brush to my Avoni creasing brush. And these are very pigmented, so you don't need a lot. I prefer to start light-handed and build, because that's where you get the nice blending look. If you go in too heavy-handed, that's where eyeshadow looks messy and like blocky. But if you start light and blend, if you have hooded eyes, watch carefully. I'm doing it in my crease and just above. And I'm just building that up. I love this palette. If you guys have been curious about Lime Crime, start with the original palette. I actually don't have the other ones, but this one is so gorgeous because you have browns if you want to keep it brown. You have pinks. You can do a smoky eye or you can keep it really light. It only has 8 shades, but I find it really versatile. I love it. I love the colors. So if you are curious, they have great eyeshadows. So now I'm going to get this angled brush, but it's also a flat top. I don't know what you call it, but I really like to use it in my outer corner. So I'm going to go in with, I think I actually want to use the Red Muse. I think I do. And I'm just going to do that on my outer lid. So do I know what I'm doing for Valentine's Day? Absolutely not. Do I know if Vinny's going to do anything? Absolutely not. Have no idea. But at least I know what I want to do for makeup if I do have plans. He's going to have to take me to Mexico to top the last one. Hey, babe. So I'm just going to leave the inner corner of my lid to shimmer. What do you guys think? So then I'm going to go in a little bit with the Icon, this dark shade in my outer corner, just to give it a bit more depth and dimension. And I'm just going to, this is really pigmented, this shade. So I'm going to take my time with this one. All I'm trying to do is deepen it. I'm not trying to make it black. I'm going to take a bit of the excess here and go under my eyelid. And now I'm going to take me back to Brazil. And we're going to focus on these 2 aisles here. So which one do I want? Decisions, decisions, I've got so many decisions, they're only a choice away. So we're going to start with this ready, let's do this properly. Which one is it? This one here, this Ready Pink, they're not named, sorry. Oh, that's a good blend between the dark red and what's going to be the hot pink. Beautiful. So I'm going to go in with this hot pink. I'm not messing around. Oh yeah. Oh my god, this pink is, oh my god, I'm actually in love. I'm a little bit in love with myself right now. Look at this. Look at this. I'm gonna keep blending. So if it's showing up on camera as unblended, never fear. I'm gonna go back in with this dark one and just try and not have any patchiness. Question, do you guys have a dream date for Valentine's Day? I'm pretty traditional. I just want to be taken to a fancy restaurant and I want to drink a top quality red wine and like a top quality steak. Like that's what I want. And I want good conversation and that's romance to me. I love that. Because I like to get dressed up, do my makeup, yeah, all those nice things. And then I'm just going to go back into my original palette and I'm going to go back into the shell again. I just want to make sure it's all blended nicely. And I'm telling you what, that shimmer as a transition, it makes it look so nice with all the glitter and it's underneath. So, hey if you want, but I'm a big fan of this shimmer transition shade. And if you're not sure, transition eyeshadow shades are usually a matte color, which is what I'm talking about. I'm using a shimmery color. Everyone uses matte shades, which is what I usually do. But in this palette, I love this shell color. So then I'm going to get this furless pointy brush, and it is the Pro 3M. And we're going to use this white shimmer. Just going to do that under my brow for that extra shimmer. And then lastly, I'm gonna go in my inner corner with this lightest shade of pink. The 16 brand pencil liner. I have this new mascara I got in the Mecca Beauty Loop. I'm level 2. And this is the Stila Huge Extreme Lash Mascara. Let's see if it is what it says. Oh, nice wand. Oh, I like this. I'm gonna do my lashes now and then we're gonna do the rest of my face. I'm gonna do it. So, BRB. Wow. Alright, lashes are on and I'm feeling so good. These lashes are insane. Oh my god, they're perfect for this look. They're so fluffy and romantic. Oh, but they've still got gaps in the middle so I can still see my eye look, which, let's be honest, is the main event. So I wanted to do a little bit of contouring with the Pro Concealer, and this is in the shade Warm Honey. I haven't used this in a while, so I just wanted to see why I haven't used it, if there's a reason. And I'm going to try and buff it out with this very thick number 3 brush by BH Cosmetics. Ooh. I may have gone on a little heavy-handed. We will see. Well, it's giving me a nice warm glow, to say the least. Maybe a little too warm. It is summer though, so if I can get away with it at any time, it's right now. What I'm going to do is get a little bit of my Mosaic Compact Powder by Essence, and not to make myself even more darker, but just to give myself a bit more evenness. I'm going to use my BH Cosmetics number 2. I am looking glam. Holy Moses. Alright, then I'm going to get my Milani. This is in Pink Play, number 1, the blush. I'm only going to use a little bit. We're fine. A little bit on my rosy apple cheeks. Now this is quite a glittery one, FYI, but I wanted to pair it with this look because I've got a very shimmery romantic look. So I thought a nice glittery one would be okay. And it does still look nice even though it's glittery. Surprisingly. I don't usually like glittery highlighters. Here we go. All right, lastly we're gonna do lips, and I brought a few shades with me because I don't know what I want to wear, but they're all pinky tones. So I'm gonna use my Inglot lip pencil in number 24 as my base. Two very pinks. I just think this liquid lipstick will look nice, so I'm going to use that. Beautiful. Have I forgotten anything? Setting spray. I'm just going to use my Mecca Cosmetica Makeup Perfecting Mist. It's not the best, but it'll do. Love it. So, I've completed the look. What do you guys think? I think I'm ready to go out on the town and be romantically wooed. I think that's what I'm ready for. And let's have a look up close of my eye look. What do you guys think? I love it. I definitely want to recreate this look for Valentine's Day. I love it. Like, I don't know what else to say. The shimmers make me feel so feminine and fabulous, and the eyelashes model rock. Love it. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Leave me a comment. Tell me what you think. I would love to know what you guys think. If you have any suggestions or any requests. If you haven't already, please subscribe. I would love the support, and I really want to create a community where we can all be friends and interact with one another. If you're interested in connecting to my socials, my Instagram, Twitter and Facebook are linked down below, and I will also link all the products that I've used today. And yeah, that is it. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time. Bye.